Hello, my people. How na dey? Now, wow, from Untouchable Mama. This video, I go put am, I go listen. Oh God, this man when I just dey see so, that man wey dey there, e be this woman. This woman not be wife, oh, na woman wey born for am. That's a baby mama. He beat her because of say they call her and the woman not quick pick the phone. He beat na actually na dey see him face. So this man first dey do this kind thing. He first dey do am. This one no be the first time for a man go just burst your face like this, like ije. Na wow, na wow. Wetin me I dey talk about no say some women they wan just run enter inside husband house. You must marry me since I don born for you. We must be husband and wife. He no marry you. He don dey beat you like this. If he just come marry you, nko, you no know say na RIP na e go be. My brothers and sisters, especially the women wey just dey run, I no know wetin dey pursue them. I no know wetin dey pursue them. They wan run enter husband house. I wan go marry oh. My friend don marry oh. He don born oh. He don do this one. Una no dey use person take dey compare. No dey use another person take dey look your own life. Look wetin you want be tomorrow. No dey look another person say that one marry, me must marry. E no mean say marry for 25 years because you don dey go 30 years, you never marry, you just dey run dey go. The first one wey you just see, you say you must marry. Now this one dey cause all this problem when you go the first man born for am. When woman first man born for am, now this one na the repercussion. Na the truth oh, because man wey really love you, he need you. He no go do you like boxer. See him face. And it remains more make comot the two eyes where the woman get to. Man wey love you no go touch you. He no go touch you because if he beats you, go know say it's like he dey still dey do himself. Man wey wan use you, dump you, he go use you. No be person go tell you say make you carry your bag, make you run no. No be person go tell you say wetin you still dey look, wetin you still dey find for there. You no know say you are not welcome to my house. Na that one me know, my brothers and sisters. Na so me I see am. Because you force yourself, you born for am, you become baby mama. You no go see your family. You no put money for your head. You no use you to do marriage. Una dey for the same house for them. Una dey there. You no dey do anything. You no dey work. Sit down for house because I no want make you dey go work. Una hear from the woman. Una hear from wetin the woman dey talk. All these things no good. Una wise. Once man just open his hand, say touch you for the first time, carry your bag make you dey run no. Because he tell you say you are not welcome to my life. Na so me I see am because woman no get hand wey want to follow man fight. He no get. Because the power wey man get, no be woman get. That one God don do am tey. Which hand you get when you want to follow my man fight? Or you say no, e go change. Problem not there. Now because of say e no feel fine, then drive am for work. You can't no say some women they sabi all this excuse. Oh. Now because of say they stress. Now e dey stress. Now you can't they use you as a bosser. You can't they use you to the learn. Some women then they defend their husband like that or their boyfriend. I don't know what I go call them. They'll say no, not pay they do am before. Now because of say just they pass through stress, then drive am for work. So women, mona be careful. Odema gala like where egbe. Road no let you pass. You go pass and go back. So go still put your hair for there. Go still sit down for there. So no, it go change. It not be like that. That time where I know I not do like that. I'ma go just bust woman eye like this. This one not be the first time. Even though say the woman fit us say na the first time, never do am. No. Any woman wey man just do like this as he do this woman, not be the first time before they do you. Carry your bag, make you run before you go see yourself for inside 6 feet. Oh. Now the truth, me I dey talk. Me I not get body wey man they even they touch self. Once you touch me for the first time, you say na mistake. Second one, not be mistake. Oh, before you know that your eye go remove am for you, put am for your butt. It go just remove am, put am for your hand. Now the truth. Oh. Some women, wanna be careful. Wanna they see the man, wanna they say, I must born for you. Not be all men who need down. Not be all men they need down. Some men they don't need down, make you born for now. You force yourself. You go say you go chop your eye for your hand. because he never ready to stay. He never ready to say he want marry. Now you force yourself go sit down for there. So me, if una want say una get power, one know they follow una own men they fight, because una know say woman not get her to follow una. You just, if they go do your sister, no, they not go do her. If person do your own pikin, you go like her, no, you not go do her. Tell the woman make kuma carry a bag, make they go say you don't need that. Instead of go your open eye, you want remove the eye, you want put her for your hand. I don't know why some men they very wicked. Their heart, You just you know say na woman and you they follow na woman and you they follow the fight. You just do one like this. When you know say man like you know feel follow am, but na woman that you want. So men na them be evil, Them be evil. Women more na open na eye, more na know the first of all, more na the first man they born for and say you must marry me, come sit down for my family house. Man will really love you, go carry you from your pa house, marry you, put for house. Even though say marriage you, they fight, they beat you, carry your bag, make you run, go back, or they not drive you for your father house, before you go give you RIP, And the truth I they talk, my brothers and sisters, I'll put the video, more than listening to the woman, Now bye, more than help me share. Ciao.
What happened was that I used to work before, but this same guy asked me to stop working because of his jealousness, his insecurity. Said I should stop working and stay at home. Because of that, he asked me to relocate to his dad's house at Alakia with the children. So when I got there, I was the only one managing. He won't come home. I'm the only one at home with the kids. So I have to go out, get something doing to feed the kids and myself. So finally, I got a work in my friend's shop where we manage at Alesh Lawyer. So you do come home by weekend sometimes come home by weekend and go. So when this happened, that day that it was on Tuesday, he called. He said I should go to his tailor and collect his dress. And I was like, you didn't give me money for upkeep. You didn't know how I'm living. Why would you ask me to use the money with me? The money I'm supposed to use to buy food for my kids, to go and collect your dress. Then he started insulting me, saying all sorts of trash and phone. I have to end the call. Then when I was going home, I was on bike. He started calling. I couldn't pick then because of the breeze. So when I got home, not knowing he has called my mom already, told my mom that I was with a guy, that I'm not at home. That's why I couldn't pick his call. My mommy called to confirm whether I'm home or not. So I explained everything to my mom, and my mom speak with the children. And my mom confirmed that I'm home. And my mom was like, why is he saying I'm not at home? I said, that is how we do behave. My phone went off that evening. We couldn't talk. That is me and the guy. We couldn't talk. That was on Saturday evening. When I got back from work, I met him outside chatting with one woman, our neighbor. Though I didn't know what they were saying. So I went inside to give the children food. I was serving the food when he just came inside. He said, why was he calling on Tuesday and I didn't pick? He didn't even allow me to say anything. He started beating me. I fainted. Because I didn't really know what happened next. I fainted. All I know was that when I woke up, I was on water. My neighbors poured water on my head before I could open my eyes, see what was going on. One of my eyes is already closed. You can look, you can see it. I can't open it. I can't see with it. Blood was gushing out from it. That's Saturday. So he chased me out of the house that same night when I recovered, when I could get up myself. He chased me out of the house with the kids. He even beat my baby. So we have to go out, and now I'm staying with my friend.